Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am speaking through Islam TV. Today I am going to tell you about the rise of Islamic civilization. Islamic civilization starts from the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Within 150 years after the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the Muslims conquered most of the Middle East, North Africa, India, Spain, and ventured into France. At that time, all the other civilizations of the world, including Greek civilization, Chinese civilization, Indian civilization, and Persian civilizations, were taking their last breath. Europe was in all the dark well of ignorance. The Islamic civilization dominated all the other civilizations. Approximately for 6 to 7 years, the Muslims ruled over the world. Now see what made the Muslims dominating and powerful nation over others. I have summarized the factors which led Islamic civilization become a civilized and powerful nation of the world. Let's discuss which were the factors which led the Muslims to conquer the world. I think these are the factors which played important and vital role to rise the Islamic civilization. This is the bridge. This bridge stands over the pillars, 6 pillars. The first pillar is belief, and the second pillar is justice. The third pillar is education. The fourth pillar is morality. The fifth pillar is finance. And the last pillar is unity. On these 6 pillars stands the bridge which leads any nation to sovereign state. This bridge, which is standing on these 6 pillars, led the Muslim civilization to sovereign Islamic state. And that is the destination. That is the destination of all the Muslims in this world. And it also leads to final destination. And that is the will of God, the paradise. So we see these pillars play important and vital role in the rise of the Muslims. The Muslims tried their best to walk on this bridge of 6 pillars to reach the destination in this world and to reach the final destination. During the life of the last prophet, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, we can witness how much firm he was in his beliefs. How much firm he was in justice matters. How much he was concerned in justice matters. And how much he was concerned in educational matters. How much he was concerned during his lifetime in morality. How much he was concerned in financial matters of the Islamic Ummah and how much he was focused on the unity and brotherhood of the Muslims. This was the first Islamic state in the world, which is called the state of Medina. Medina was the capital of that state. The destination of the Muslims was sovereign Islamic state in this world, and final destination was paradise. At that time and up till now, the same model was adopted after the Prophet, peace be upon him. The Holy Caliphate, which starts from Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and ends in the reign of Hazrat Ali Ridwanullah Ajmain. The same model was adopted by all the caliphs. Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Usman Ghani, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, all of them were the best rulers of the world. They gave the best rules to rule over the world. Even the non-Muslims admit that they were the best rulers. In that period of time, and after those 4 caliphs of the Islam, the Muslims also conquered many parts of the world. They set the best principles of Islamic civilization. They were forming their beliefs, they were forming their justice. Even the non-Muslims brought their souls to them. They were best in their morals. Even they forgave their enemies. They tolerated with other religious people. For example, we can see from the life of the Holy Prophet, he tolerated with the woman who was saying him a magician. He tolerated with the people of Taif who were throwing stones on him. Who tolerated with his enemies who were throwing arrows and wanted to kill him. So this is the model. If the Muslims of present era want to lead the world, want to rise themselves up to the skies, want to make progress in this world, want to win the will of God, they would have to walk on this same bridge which can lead them to ultimate success in the world, in this world and the world after this world. For watching this type of Islamic informative videos, you can subscribe my channel Islam TV, and if you like it, you would have to share it with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.